What's up, y'all? Your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audiocat, here with another day, another video for y'all, man. I'm gonna give y'all an update of what's going on. The other day I went to go post a live video. We were out at Texas Motor Speedway on my niece's graduation, and this guy almost ran into my son's car coming from the lanes. So to avoid the guy from hitting him on the right-hand side, he swerved to the left and smacked the curb, went into the dirt. It was a scary experience. We never really had something like that happen with him, but again, it wasn't really his fault. He was trying to avoid an accident, but in the process, we got some damages to the car. We have it here at Mobile One across the street to take a look at it. We're gonna put it in the lift today and see exactly what's wrong with it. I'll show you what the visuals are right now. As you can see, when it smacked the curve, it knocked right here, the curve, knocked the hole in the tire. So we got a tire damage, we got a wheel damage. It knocked it completely off there. There's really no body damage in the car. You can see some grass in here when it went into the grass area. We don't really see too much body damage, but we do see that it has some damage in the suspension. And we have to find out what's that here. We also know that due to this here, we know that it bent the bar in here. You can also see it here, so we gotta find that out. This wheel is full tilted in, so we know we got some damage there. Then we also have some damage over here, which we can tell. So we can see a little bit of damage right here, like the little gap distance. So we're gonna get this checked out here. Mobile One, across the street from our shop, to put in the lift to see exactly what's happening to her and what happened to it, what's going on with it, what's gonna be the verdict of it, to see if we get it fixed either here on our own or we can make an insurance claim. I'd rather not do the insurance claim. You know, if it's not gonna be a lot of money, you might as well get paper out of the pocket, but if it's gonna be a lot of damages that we have to get some major stuff done, then I'm probably gonna make the claim. But we're here at the Mobile One right now, going to get this situated, find out exactly what happened to the Audio Fox's car. He's a little depressed this morning. You know, he misses driving his car. You see that face? Man, he's sad, man. I understand it. I would be sad too, but you know, things do happen. It's learning experiences. Kind of, he saved himself in one way because he could have got the whole side of the car damaged by the truck that was gonna smack him. But at the same time, he still got damaged anyway by trying to avoid the guy and running into the dirt area, which is like a grass area over there by the Texas Motor Speedway. So we definitely have to find out exactly what the damages are to get this car fixed and get it rolling for them. And just to see what's going on, guys. So I'll keep y'all posted, man, but the Audio Fox is down, but we're definitely gonna figure it out in a few minutes. So we're here at the Mobile One, my friend Adam, man. He's the one that's gonna put the car on the lift to give me the preliminary report if it's worth it to take it out to the insurance claim, or we could just do it here ourselves if we do suspensions and everything here at AudioZone, man. But long story short, man, we got some sad news. I wanna have everybody a moment of silence for 5 seconds, and I'll tell you why. 5 seconds of silence. The minute of silence was because Adam has sold his Charger. I am really sad to know that my partner has sold his car. In fact, the video I just posted yesterday was of me racing your car against the guy with the other Hellcat and me beating him in your car. So, really? Yeah, so that video is up and running, man, but he sold his car. Reason, Adam, tell everybody why you sold your car. I want people to understand why.
Actually, I just want to buy a Lamborghini.
You want to buy a Lamborghini? No, the truth is he had a family member that passed away in a car accident.
Yeah.
It was your cousin, right?
Yeah.
So he had a cousin that passed away in a car accident. The family's a little worried. Being that it is a fast car, it is a racing car, it does tempt you to race and speed, and they're worried about the safety of him, and he made the decision for his family to sell the car and give them peace in their heart so they don't have to worry about him every day in the roads, and he did that decision. So I understand why you sold the car, but we're sad. But it doesn't matter, because if you sold your car, if anybody comes to Mobile One and tries Adam and said they want to race them, he can go across the street and pick up one of 3 cars. We have Real's Hellcat, we got my Hellcat, we got my wife's Hellcat, and we also got the Ford Mustang. So just because he sold his car doesn't mean that he's not fast no more. Because if he needs a car,
I run.
He'll run on his feet.
Yeah.
In fact, we're gonna have a video of him racing my car on feet and see what happens, y'all. But anyway, he's gonna be checking out the car, man. We'll get a preliminary update in a few minutes of what's going on. So even though today's technically our day off, man, and we went to go see the Mustang, I came to the shop, man. Real is working on this beautiful Charger here, man. And y'all probably know him. If you don't know him, just be careful when you get next to him, because he's actually really fast. His name is Black Battle Cat. He's a very cool guy, man. He's been a customer for a minute, but we did the whole carbon fiber roof on this young man's car. We did the whole trunk lid on his car in carbon fiber. And we did the whole back tail right there in carbon fiber, and Real just finished doing up the hood on this car, all carbon fiber, as you can see here. But now this car is carbon fibered out on the areas that he wanted to get carbon fiber, and I'm not gonna lie, the car looks really good. It looks pretty amazing. This is Black Battle Cat's car, man. It's actually a very fast car. If you have track, be careful when you get next to him because he's faster than the average Hellcat. He's actually really fast and he knows how to really drive his car. So he's definitely gonna be. I'm gonna run him one day. We're gonna race together and see what's going on with him, man. But he's really a good guy. What you gotta tell everybody here today, man?
Hey man, been a long day, long morning. Got it together. A lot of people think we don't be doing this stuff, but we be doing it. And y'all can see, man.
This is actually done. Realtor came on his day off and came to get this done. That's customer service, man. He wanted to get this taken care of and he got it done, man. So it's pretty much what we're going. We got Mr. Jermaine up here in the building. Came from Longview. What you say? No. This is one of my This is one of my customers, man, that became a friend of the shop, man. He don't want to be on the camera, but say hi to everybody today, man. Just say hi. Say the word hi. Hi. What's up? There you go. So he said, "What's up to y'all, man?" He's the one that owns the beautiful other Charger here that y'all know. Y'all probably see him on IG. And if you haven't, please get to him on Instagram, man. He has a lot of posts. He can do out there a lot. We actually wrapped this car too, as y'all saw, but he's 392 main 903. He got the wheels that were reals. The car looks amazing. Going head out to go see what the preliminary report is on the Ford Mustang and what we have to do to get it fixed to get the Mustang back on and rolling and get with truck. So we're about to go ahead and prank Battlecat, the guy who owns this Charger. I'm gonna let Real prank him saying we just crashed his car.
What's up, man?
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, man, I done made a terrible mistake, bro.
What's that?
Man, I was bagging out, and you know, we got that bar on the side, bro, and it caught the side of your car and scratched it up, bro. The guy that did your front bumper, bro, how much he'll charge, bro? You know, I pay for it, man.
Where is it at?
It's right on the fender, at the back quarter panel, and down like the back door. I ain't know, it was sticking out a little too far. I thought I pushed it all the way out. You know the little bar that we usually push across the back? Yeah, and ended up catching it, bro. I pay for the damages.
I had to just get it, look at it, take a picture of it, let it see it.
It's got a hole in the quarter panel.
Oh, okay. I don't know if the whole quarter panel gotta be replaced, man, cause it go in like far. It's
Okay. Okay, just send it to me. Let me see what it looks like.
you still at the graduation?
Nah, we came by to get something to eat. As soon as I get through, I gotta head that way.
Oh.
'Cause I got an appointment at 2:30.
Okay. Yeah, my bad, bro. Like, dang, this was so unexpected, bro. You know what I'm saying? I really didn't. I didn't know.
It's got a hole in the quarter panel.
Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, let me just say it to me, let me look at it, then let him look at it.
Okay, cause I don't know. It look like it's like a slight hole in it from it going in so deep. That's why I was saying it. I know the quarter panel, the back quarter panel, probably gonna have to be replaced.
Yeah. But shoot, that might not be him then. I might have to go to somebody else.
Yeah, it don't matter who you gotta go to, bro. You know I pay for it. You know I ain't nothing like that, man. You ain't never gotta worry about that with me. I'm working on it. I'm responsible for it.
Okay. Just send me a picture of that. I see what we can do.
Okay. I think I can. I know this guy at Mako though, that do that type of work. He real good. He just worked at Mako though.
Okay. Where you located at?
I think it's the one. I forgot which one he works at, but it's one that's close. I forgot which one he work. I have to call him and ask him which one he work at. But that's probably something he can probably do at home or anything like that.
Okay.
Cause he work outside his shop too.
Okay. Yeah, okay, let me look at it first and ask on one first and then just go from there.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna call Jeff.
All right. I'm gonna call Jeff real quick.
Okay. But now what I'm gonna continue the prank on Battlecat, tell him about his car being damaged. I'm gonna see what I can do to make him more mad. He's really calm. I'm gonna try to make him mad.
He mad.
What's up, bro?
Battlecat, Bobby, this is Jeff. I just got to the shop. Real had called me a few minutes ago when I was across the street with my son's Mustang. But yeah, he gassed it pretty bad by the quarter panel, driver's side quarter panel where the gas cap is. It's got a big hole, so it's gonna have to be replaced. But I know he says he has a guy, but I mean, Honestly, I think if we get some Bondo here in the shop, I could probably fix it with some Bondo and some spray paint from AutoZone. I don't think
think so.
I don't think you'll be able to know the difference. As long as we get the clears to match, I think we'll be all right.
Okay.
So you want to leave it for a few more hours so I can just spray it and do Bondo it real quick?
Yeah, let's see how that'll work.
Okay, I mean, you should be all right. I'll get a Bondo, man, and we'll get some spray paint. I'm gonna order like maybe 4 cans of spray paint and 2 clears to see if we can get it done.
Okay.
Battlecat, I'm only messing with you, man. This is a prank to you, man. We didn't do nothing to your car, man. He gonna say, oh, really? No. I told he wouldn't believe he wouldn't say nothing about the Bondo and the spray paint. But it's all right.
You want to know, because he never would send me a picture. Like I said, don't send me a picture. Nah, he ain't got it.
Nah, man, your car, I came by I was across the street at the Mustang, man. We came and saw your car. Your car looked good, Battlecat. I guess you can work out with real. When you gonna pick it up, brother?
I got an eye appointment at 2:30.
No problem.
We swing it in there. I can pick it up.
No problem. Then I guess we'll arrange that. We'll really get it picked up, brother. But that's fine. We're just playing with you, man. You be good, Papi. Bye. All right, cool. He was cool, collective. He was a little mad, but long story short, man, I went across the board, told him we're gonna grab some Bondo and spray paint from AutoZone and 2 bottles of clear. I would tell you something. You tell me you can do something like that to my car, and we're gonna have a problem because I ain't driving the HELLCAT for you to spray bottle and spray can it, man. But he be picking up the car. Did come out really good. We'll continue the video with the damages from the Mustang. All right, guys. So to give you an update of what's going on, man, we're rocking and rolling here in the shop. It's been a crazy busy day again. We got this one out here. We got Mr. Lewis over here in the building with his Silverado. He's a Boricua, which means he's Puerto Rican. And I'm in my toolbox trying to find something, because we're going to go do something for him. It's a little bit different, man, because in the island, we don't believe in a lot of bass. We believe in a lot of vocal. We want you to hear us across the street, across the block. And there's a lot of brands out there. PRV is very famous. But the high-end brands are always going to be your Audio Legions and your Beamers and so on. So we're at the point of what we did for his car. This is a carbon amplifier. Now the funny part is, this amplifier was his, then it became mine, and then it became his again because he didn't want to let it go after he bought it. And I don't blame him, it's a bad boy. That's already installed, crossover's installed, over there's installed, subs are installed. Now we're gonna come here to doing the tuning of the vehicle to get it to be where we want it to be and get it all situated, guys. So I'll be back in a few minutes to give you our results if we get there. Hey guys, so we're coming signed, still delivering the Chevy truck, man. It's something that came out really beautiful. I'm gonna walk you through everything that was done. We had these tweeters installed custom in his door panels. We also went ahead and installed them on the door panels back here, and that going across the board. We have the Nemesis 10 that's down there, amplifier mounted to the back. The car is gonna be signed, still delivered. Client has heard his car. Lewis, what's your reaction?
Amazing sound.
Amazing sound. That's all we can think about, man. In reality, we're grateful. Lewis is this is a long story, man. Lewis is a client of mine. You've been doing you've been working for the airfield for
7 years.
So I mean, I know you when you're going to school to go to try to become. I know you about 8 to 10 years.
10 years.
I met him because he's a Puerto Rican. There was a lot of us back a couple years ago, and he had an amplifier that I wanted, and I bought it from him with some Beamers for my Corvette, my yellow Vet. After I got it, I sold my car, I kept the amp. He came back, he wanted to buy the amplifier. He bought the amplifier back, and now he's running it. And I'm gonna tell you, when you sell it, I'm gonna take it back. Just so y'all know what's going on, man. But long story short, man, the car is signed, still delivered. Look, wanna thank you all. Between the Z06 old school versus the, stop the cars. Stop. We're gonna go from the dig. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. He's spinning's not winning. I already told y'all, spinning's not winning. But anyway, man, Mr. Audio Fox in the building over here, smiling, you know what I'm saying? Get smiling with that. Smile he having over there. Look at that. You can almost see the shine of his mustache, y'all, but this is what's going on, man. I got to teach this guy how to lock that car. Audio Fox is trained, ain't nothing to talk about, but the vet needs to learn it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when he pulls up again. You're spinning too much. Huh? You're spinning too much. You got traction control on or off? That's your problem. Yeah, but that's 405 horsepower and that car is light, so it should be a good race. We'll see what happens though. Giving you an update, man. Spin is not winning, and Josh was spinning, traction control failure. But we're about to do a high rate pull and see what happens when we get there and see what happens. We're ending our day just having fun on our way home, man, having a good time. So we're going ready for roll race number 2 and see what happens with the Z06 Corvette. Are y'all ready? Ready? 30? 30. 1, 2, 3. win, man. Look at that smile, y'all. Damn. But I'm saying, man, it's a good feeling, man. You know what I'm saying? Have your car and go whoop some booty out in the streets, man. We just gonna do what we have to do. We want to thank y'all for watching this video, man. Thank y'all for subscribing. Y'all be good and God bless.
I made
wouldn't dare do that. I wouldn't dare do that. I don't know. I don't have the guts for that. So this bad boy is situated, ready to go, man. All DS18'd out. He's got his amplifiers installed in the cubby hole. Pop this over here. How's he pop it here? He got a key. He know how to do his bad boy. He got his amplifier installed down there, so he's got a waterproof amplifier. He can do mud, water, whatever he wants. So that can Bluetooth connection by Sherwin Vega. So he can pretty much do whatever he wants in that bad boy and get this bad boy situated out the door. So now he has audio. I want to do the lights on it. That could be my next project, I'm pretty sure, but I definitely want to make it a unique whip, man. But look at the owner of it, man. How long you had this for?
2015.
You've had it since 2015. How you like it?
Oh, it's good.
You enjoy it. It's something you enjoy with your wife and your kids, your family, just have a good time.
Yeah,
You see what I'm saying, guys? But one of these coming soon to a theater near you. Be careful that you don't see Audiocat come and pop up with one of these, man, because I actually do like this a lot. It's fun. I think it's safer than a motorcycle, so we'll see to be continued, y'all.
Yeah.